This is the restaurant we went in Brigham. There are many tourists in this town, so it's kind of busy. I am so obsessed with those vintage decors. I think they are so cool. Oh, cool. They have kids menu over here. It says over 40 years of great food. What would you like to eat, sweetie? You want to read the menu? Okay, so this is a vegetarian-friendly restaurant. They have a vegetarian meal. The food they serve here are mostly sandwiches. There aren't many restaurants in the town. We checked out the other ones, but I think this is probably going to be your best option. I feel it brings me back to 80s, even though I was born in 90s. Look at that vintage cabinet, table, and chairs at the corner. They do have over 10 kinds of pies and cookies as well. They don't have table service, so you order your food, make the payment, and wait for your food at the counter. You can grab either an apple or a bag of chips at the end of the bar. I ordered a strawberry-filled salad with raspberry sauce. California club sandwiches with bacon, avocado, sprouts, and Swiss cheese. The Walker sandwich with ham, turkey breast, roasted beef, bacon, salami, lettuce, and tomato, and a grilled cheese sandwich for my baby. Oh, I forgot to mention that this restaurant closes at 3 p.m. You want your baby sandwich? Grilled cheese sandwich.
Okay.
What do you think about a sandwich, sweetie? Baby, you want to try pickle? Is it sour? Oh, you love pickle. Oh, Zoe loves pickle. Oh, that's so sweet. Daddy say thank you. Daddy say thank you. Can mommy have some? Sweetie, can mommy have some? Mommy have some. Okay. Daddy. Daddy needs more fruit. So your baby knows that. This is strawberry field salad with raspberry sauce. Adding chicken is an option. Okay. Can you give the fork back to mommy? Oh, you want my strawberry salad? All right, you can have it if you want. See if you can get any. Thank you. All right, let's have some dessert. The Bluebell Ice Cream Factory is in the town, but they are closed on weekends.